Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First, let me introduce myself. My name is Fajar Indarto, NPM 2015 061 067 from Informatic Engineering C, Lampung University. First, I want to tell you about artificial neural networks. Artificial neural networks is ANN stands for Artificial Neural Networks. Basically, it's computational model that is based on structures and function of biological neural networks. Although the structure of the ANN affected by a flow of information. Hence, neural networks chain were based on input and output. Basically, we can consider ANN as nonlinear statistical data, that means complex relationship defines between input and output. As the result, we found different patterns. Also, we call the ANN as neural networks. Structure of artificial neural networks. Generally, the working of human brain by making the right connection is the idea behind ANNs that was limited to use of silicon and wires as living neurons and dendrites. Here, neurons, part of the human brain that was composed of 86 billion nerve cells, also connected to other thousands of cells by axons. Although there are various inputs from sensory organs that was accepted by dendrites. As the result, it creates electric impulse that is used to travel through the artificial neural networks. Thus, to handle the different issues, neurons send a message to another neuron. Types artificial neural networks. Generally, there are two types of ANN, such as feed forward and feedback. Feed forward ANN. In network, this network flow of information is unidirectional. A unit used to send information to another unit that does not retrieve any information. Also, no feedback loops are present in this, although used in recognition of a pattern, as they contain fixed input and outputs. Second, feedback ANN. In this particular artificial neural network, it's allow feedback loops and also used in content addressable memories. Functional of artificial neural networks. The use of artificial neural networks can provide several important functions, including the following. First, classifying patterns. Various patterns that exist and there are some problems in it will be divided into several classifications. This classification can be done using ANN, so that this process can be carried out more precisely and avoid errors. So the results are expected to be in the line with expectation. Second, mapping pattern from input to output. ANN or ANN basically performs in terms of receiving a stimulus to an output. In this case, a pattern mapping will be carried out if it will be carried out in the process from receiving input to producing output. Ensure that all these complex processes require mapping in order to run more easily. The third, optimizing the problem. What is meant by optimization is basically a process carried out with the aim of achieving a result that is considered ideal. So the existence of the ANN is not accordance with the problems faced further so that the problem can be solved optimally. Each solution is selected based on optimal choice. 4. Make prediction. In the end, through the artificial neural network that is used to handle the problem, it is hoped that it can be given to predict something. This prediction is expected to then be profitable and can be useful and can be the best alternative for any exciting problems. Through INN, it is hoped that prediction can be made better. machine learning in INN. As there are so many machine learning strategies are present, let them see one by one. First, super, first supervised learning. Generally, in this learning, a teacher is present to teach. The teacher must be aware and an example. The teacher fits only the example data. The teacher already knows the answer. Second, unsupervised learning. If there is a present known dataset, then we need this learning technique. Third, reinforcement learning, as the machine learning technique is based on the observation, although if it's negative, the network need to adjust its ways. They is able to make a difference, require a decision the next time. Artificial neural network application. Artificial neural network used to perform a various tasks. Also, these tasks performed that are busy with humans but difficult for machine. And the application is one, aerospace. Generally, we use ANN for autopilot. Aircraft they use for aircraft fall detection. 2. Military. In various ways, we use ANN in the military, such as weapon orientation and steering, and target tracking. 3. Electronic. Basically, we use an ANN in electronics in many ways. They are called sequence prediction, IC, chip layout, and chip failure analysis. 4. Medical. As a medical has too many machines that use in various ways, such as cancer cell analysis, IIG, and ICG analysis. 4. 5. Telecommunication. Generally, it has different application. Thus, we use ANN in many ways, such as image and data compression, automate information service. 6. Transportation. Generally, we use ANN in transportation in many ways. There are truck brake, system diagnosis, and vehicle scheduling routing system. 7. Software. It also uses ANN in pattern recognition, such as facial recognition, facial character recognition, and many more. Time series prediction. We use as NNN to predict time. Also, we use ANNs to make prediction on stock and natural calamities. So this was all about artificial neural network tutorial. Hope you like it, or hope you like my explanation, my conclusion. As the result, we have studied neural networks in artificial intelligence, also learn IAM structure, types, working, and many more. As this will help you to understand the artificial neural networks concept deeply. If you feel any query, feel free to ask in the comment section or message me. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you. Goodbye.